What you got, buddy?
What's in there?
Yeah, it's a pretty box.
It's for you. I'm opening it. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah. Something else to throw.
Bowling
We're like,
pin.
ooh, something he could roll and knock down.
It might be
Something else you can hit me with.
I think you're old enough for that.
Tell us all about it, Meat Scissors.
Take the binky out of your mouth. Maybe we'd be able to understand what you're saying.
Tell me about it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's really sharp. Don't let him touch it.
Hold on, Mommy's gonna open
Mommy's
it.
gotta open it. She's almost done. Look. she's
Why did
got
you
it
give it to
open
me and not let me open it?
Alright, here we
for you.
go.
Now it's open.
Open. Unzip it.
And believe it or not, this is
look
made
at
in the
that.
USA. It's like, I don't know what they are, but they look like they make noise.
Person.
Just set him out.
Out.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Where's the ball?
Roll the ball.
Knock him over.
We gotta set them all up first.
Yes. He is.
He's such
Systematic.
a certain temperament. I love it.
Okay, roll the ball. Roll it.
Rolling is for wimps.
Real men just
Why roll when you can just knock it?
Rolling is for when you're farther away.
It's like, I think these are hand protectors. One day you can show them how to bowl.
More like boxing.
Those are little people. They're not.
Sounds like you said die.
You're saying die?
I don't think so.
He's saying da.
Thanks, guys.
Charlie, say thank you.
Look at that down somewhere.
You're welcome, Charlie.
Yeah. Those have endless possibilities. They're very creative.
And it'll take a lot to damage them.
Those are the best kinds of toys.
Yeah. Fairly expensive.